primarily managing mutual funds, I presume.
Yeah.
Then to move from mutual funds to alternates.
Right.
What was the thought process behind that?
No, so initial days, see, mutual fund to sahi hai. No denying on the fact that all of us, and credit goes to, all the CEOs like Nilesh Bhai, Bala, Aap, because you've traveled to smallest of the smallest cities in India and talked about the importance of mutual fund. As a result of that, today mutual fund has reached to more than 6 crores people in India. So no denying the fact that this is one of the tool where everyone has created the kind of wealth which is required. But this was something beyond that. So I wanted to see to it that, as I said, that this industry was shaping up. In 2011-12, I saw AIF industry getting structured and regulated by SEBI. एंड लाइफ में ऐसा होता है ना कि हम लोग कहते हैं कि लाइफ में चीज़ें दो बार होती है, बिकॉज वन इन योर माइंड एंड द सेकेंड इज दैट इन रियलिटी वंस यू विजुअलाइज. मैं ये बोलता हूँ लाइफ में मैंने जो देखा अभी तक चीज़ें दो बार होती है, एक बार यूएस में और एक बार इंडिया में. सो पोस्ट लेमन ब्रदर क्राइसिस, and there were some veterans from our industry have also realized this fact that alternates started shaping up big time in the US. And all the high quality portfolio managers started building up their vertical, and we saw that has become one of the largest asset class in the world across the globe. And then one thing was sure, that India will eventually follow the trend.